Hi everyone, it's Yana. It's been 3 weeks since the last nails done, so it's time to renew them. Let's check out what we've got here. The thumbnail was lost just yesterday. No more losses, so let's get started. First things first, we have to remove the old material. The easiest way to do it is to use an e-file. I'm removing gel polish color and leaving a thin layer of a base coat on the natural nail plate, making sure all of the liftings, if any, are removed completely. I like to finish up my removal with manual filing to make sure I've got an even and smooth surface. It's just going to be way easier to create a perfect layer later on. At the same time, I remove a glance from a natural nail plate. We've decided to change the shape from square to almond, and in my opinion, almond shape fits these hands just perfectly. Do you think we should keep it square? Then I applied cuticle softener and proceeded with cuticle trimming. I know it looks like there is nothing to trim, but I can't leave it just like that. And I promise you guys, there is no discomfort at all as long as I'm trimming off only dead skin. Would you like to know how to find out what is dead and what is not? I could make a video tutorial on that. You just have to let me know you want it in the comments. Once I'm done, I apply antiseptic once again. To sanitize hands, remove the rest of cuticle softener, we don't want it to cause lifting, right? And remaining dust. I applied dehydrator 5 times. Then acid-free primer. And finally the base coat. On the broken nail, I'm going to use acrygel aka polygel to extend it. I love working with this material. Then it's time to align and strengthen these beautiful nails to make them even more beautiful and more durable. My model chose this beautiful color. turned out to be too runny and too transparent. So I had to apply 3 coats. It was the last time I used it. Though I'm thinking of mixing in some glitter, but can't decide between red and gold. What do you think? Maybe that way I could save this bottle. If not, it will go straight into trash. And here you can perfectly see what a difference it makes when a color applied under the cuticle. Isn't it amazing? And here is an express design. It's Majesty foil. And a tip for you. If it doesn't stick, just use some acid-free primer. Just don't forget to wipe the brush before returning it into the bottle. And one more suggestion, have a spare top coat for glittery designs. Here is what came out. What do you guys think? I should apply cream and then make a final shot, I know. Guys, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And please support me by liking and sharing this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm looking forward to see you on the next one.